Reinke Manufacturing is using a multi-million-dollar investment to bring new machines and technology to its building. They now have 15 robotic arms working together to build a one-of-a-kind irrigation system. Local 4's Leroy Triggs has more on this new development.
Reinke is investing $12 million into robotics, and this will make agriculture in Nebraska run more efficiently.
We're on the map already. I think this is going to put us there. I don't think we're going to be overlooked now. This is a pretty good crown jewel to have.
The robotic technology Reinke has implemented is truly a first of its kind.
The product that we're coming out with, which is what this pipe cell will manufacture, is the world's first precision series of center pivots, which basically means it doesn't matter what pipe size you have, 6, 6 5/8, 8 5/8, doesn't matter. It will be uniformly spaced from the pivot center to the end of the swing arm or to the end of the end boom.
Chris Rowe says that's important because water application is very uniform that way. They didn't want things like towers to cause spacing issues. This also keeps crops the same length. Before they unveiled this to the public, they tested it out, and there were some challenges.
Honestly, probably the coding.
Yeah, the programming and
the logic behind it all, of what needs to actually be set and to make it actually talk to each other and be happy. There's a lot of conditions that have to be met.
Dalton Penny says there are certain bite signals. Finished pipe has to be ready to go for a crane and your gantry to pick it up. If not, you'll be in limbo until you find the problem. President Chris Rowe explains how this investment elevates Reinke Manufacturing.
Well, what this will do for us, it makes a higher volume, we can make more product, it's very high quality, so it's going to be exactly the same pipe. It doesn't matter when it's made, it'll be exactly the same, very high quality. But also the product that we're rolling out with now on the new E3 product, it's the world's first series of precision irrigation systems. So it's a very high level for the farmers. They know they're getting high quality, not only the machinery, but it's the most advanced machinery that they can get.
Reinke is a family business, and one robotics student is looking forward to following in the footsteps of her father and grandfather.
Well, my plan is what has been for kind of a few years now to just go up to either Doane or SCC, where my dad went, and go into CNC machining and then help out. But my dad working here, he's gonna try and help me get into the welding over the summer, and hopefully I can get a job up here for the summer.
Now, this investment will not be replacing employees. Reinke has over 600 employees, and they have sent those employees off for training in Ohio to learn how to run these robotics. Reporting from Deschler, Leroy Triggs, Local 4 News.